Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Tech Gamers World. In this video, we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the Smart Card Wallet from AUSKANG. So AUSKANG recently reached out to me and asked if I'd be interested in reviewing their Smart Card Wallet. Now, as luck would have it, I happen to be in the market for a new wallet, so it was the perfect time. So what is a Smart Card Wallet? Well, it's exactly what it says it is. It is a card holder slash wallet that features technology that can be used to locate it wherever it is. This particular wallet works with Apple Find My, which is Apple's version of the location and tracking technology. Now, how these location and tracking technology works is as follows. It uses Bluetooth and an ultra wideband frequency to send out short pulses really fast. The devices see those pulses and respond back in kind, effectively giving away its location in real time. So you can use that tracking technology to locate items such as your keys, your wallet, anything that has an AirTag or Apple's AirTag Find My technology built into it, such as the Smart Card Wallet from AUSKANG. So let's open this up and see it and find out what it's all about. So this is the box that it was shipped in. It is very nice, minimalistic. I love minimalistic things. They make it straight and to the point. It is an Apple Find My Smart Card Wallet. On the side here, it says works with Apple Find My, and the same thing on this side. On the back here, we have some information about the Smart Card Wallet. Basically, in layman's terms, it says about the Apple Find My network provides an easy, secure way to locate compatible personal items using the Find My app on your Apple device. To use the Find My app to locate this item, they recommend that the latest version of iOS, iPadOS, macOS is recommended. Use of the Works with Apple badge means that a product has been designed to work specifically with the technology identified in the badge and has been certified by the product manufacturer to meet Apple Find My network product specifications and requirements. So what does that mean? This particular wallet does not need an AirTag to work with Apple Find My. It has its own embedded device to connect to Apple Find My's network, which is really cool. It's one less thing to worry about. And then there's some compliance and regulatory standard information and trademark information regarding the use of the Apple name and branding. So let's go ahead here and open this up. So again, this is the Smart Card Wallet. This is the Find Wallet Plus. So here is the quick start guide showing you how to connect the device to Apple Find My, which I'm going to walk you through on my test iPhone here. So we see the various information here about connecting it. Pressing the function button once will hear DDD, then press the function button twice to get ready to connect, and you will hear D. Same thing on the back here, more information about the Find My app, and I will walk you through all of that. So let's go ahead here and take out the wallet. There is a user manual, so we'll put the wallet to the side for a second. Take out the user manual. That is a pretty big one. So we've got, it looks like, three different languages here. English, looks like we have Japanese and or Chinese, sorry, and German. So that's pretty cool. So if you speak any one of the three languages, you'll get all kinds of nice information about it here. As you can see, there's a lot of information. I'm looking at the English one. It basically shows the layout of the wallet, proprietary information about it, warnings, and then so the instructions include how to add the Find Wallet to the app, to locate it, to enable notifications, enable lost mode, rename your wallet, remove your wallet, reset your wallet, and the anti-stalking features. So anti-stalking has become super important because of privacy and security concerns when it comes to tracking technology. And again, some more specifications on the wallet, warnings, fine print, and use it and adding your wallet to the Find My app. So let's go ahead and we'll put off the instructions to the side here and take a look at the reason we are all here, the Smart Card Wallet from AUSKANG. So let's open it up here. So here it is. So this is really nice looking and it's really lightweight. So what this is it feels like a leather, synthetic leather, it feels like. It's got nice stitching along it. I like the stitching. I like the plastic edge that around it. It's got a, looks like it's molded on there, which is nice. It's got, feels it has that carbon fiber feel to it, look and feel. It's got a money clip on the back, and it looks like a spot for a card, which is cool. So opening it up here, piece of cardboard. We've got an ID window for your driver's license or identification card, depending on what you have and where you live. And we've got, it looks like a slot here for another card and a pocket in here to put your cards in. So one thing I liked about this wallet, specifically when I looked at it, is the fact that it has this razor here. You can raise up your cards because we all know, card holding wallets are great. The problem that a lot of them suffer from is they are very small. You trade off the uh, ability to hold a lot of stuff in card wallets. So that also means that you're jamming your cards in there. Some of the card wallets on the market have a pocket that you put your cards in that you literally have to like cram them in. So we don't typically like those because they're so hard to get your cards out. You're literally just fighting with them when you're at the register trying to get them out, and then people are waiting and looking at you. Had that happen before. So I like ones that have the slide up function, and I'll show you that here. So I love the feel of this. It's very nice, very lightweight, like I said. It's got a money clip on the back here, and it's got some raised edges here. So if you have some money in here, it doesn't make it bulk up, like it'll sit flat, which looks pretty cool. Um, let's go ahead here and try out some of this card holder. So I've got some dummy cards here we can use to simulate credit cards. So let's try out the main storage location here. So we're going to go ahead and stick these in. And look at that. They slid right in. They're holding in, nothing moving at all. That's awesome. I mean, I'm literally like shaking this. Nothing moving. That's cool. Now, if we want them to eject, you slide this down and they come right out, which is nice. And it's spring loaded. So again, we'll put them back here. You can see that they're in there good. And we slide this up and they all pop right out. That is really awesome. I like that a lot. Let's try out the front pocket here. So these are usually tighter and you can hold a card that you're going to use often. So this would be, let's say a debit, an ATM card, a credit card, etc. And then to slide it out, you just slide it out like that. I like that a lot. On the back here, we've got another card holder. So again, you would probably put your most often used cards in here, and then you could simply pull it out. So it's pretty cool, and it's in there nice and tight. So as you can see, I'm pushing on it, not moving. That's super important because when you have a card exposed like this, that card can fall out. But so to pull it out, do that. I got some stuff on it there. So these wallets feature RFID technology. Now, what is RFID blocking technology? What that basically means is when you have credit cards, debit cards, ATM cards, bank cards, they have chips in them that the modern readers read the chip without actually having to touch the card. That also means that a nefarious person could come by with a RFID scanner and essentially read your cards without even touching them. So manufacturers, what they've done to increase security is started integrating RFID blocking technology into wallets. You hear about it all the time. Most people don't know how it actually works. Here's how it actually works. they sew a piece of metal, whether it's something like carbon fiber or aluminum, into the wallets. They put them in the fronts, maybe around the sides, or in here, on the back, integrated in between the stitching and the material. And what that metal does is it essentially creates what's called a Faraday cage. A Faraday cage is something that anything that's inside of it cannot receive or send signals out of it. So the thought process is if this wallet features RFID blocking technology, when your cards are inside, if somebody walks by with a scanner, they can't scan your cards because the metal inside of the stitching will essentially block that signal. So that's pretty cool. Oh, it's become a standard nowadays to help increase security, especially with the credit cards. Some of them don't even have magnetic stripes anymore. They just have the chips on them. So that's pretty cool. So I am liking this wallet a lot so far. Let's go ahead and see if we can get it connected to Apple Find My here. So again, this is only supported with Apple Find My technology. It does not work with Android. If you wanted an Android wallet, you need to look for one that supports the Android location services. So it says here, press the function button twice. So let's go ahead and move our phone closer and open up the Find My app. And we'll go to items. So that's what we're going to be adding here. So it says, press the function button once and you will hear DDD. There we go. And it says, press the function button twice to get ready to connect. And it says you will hear D. Okay, so we heard that. So now it says, let's go to add item and add other supported item. Because this wallet does not have an AirTag in it, you will not add an AirTag. You need to add an other supported item. That is really cool because it's one less thing we have to worry about. This has an integrated battery that it says will last for up to 5 years. So let's add other supported item. It's going to search for an item. It says it found Find Wallet Plus. So let's connect. We'll call it Text Wallet. And we'll just leave the emoji the same. This item is linked to your Apple ID. Hit agree. And it says that we're going to finish. So there is our wallet. And now we have located it. So as you can see, it is right here with me. You can use directions to find it. Let's go ahead and play a sound and see what this sounds like when you're trying to locate it. That is really loud. I like that a lot. So as you can see, we added it to the Find My app super quick, and we were able to locate it and see exactly where it is and use it to play the sound. So to recap here, this is the Find Wallet Plus from AUSKANG. It is super cool. It is a card holder, very slim, very well made. I honestly have no negative feedback at all about this. I love the look and the feel. The weight is so light. It's thin for a card wallet of this type. I especially love the eject feature that I'll show you again here. We'll put some cards in it. That is awesome. It's holding everything in just like that. It looks like it'll hold up to about 5 cards. As you can see, nothing coming out. Pop this button, they pop right out. Put them right back. You're good to go. That is so cool. And between that and the Find My tracking technology, this is an awesome wallet. I highly recommend it. I honestly have nothing negative to say at all about this. It is just really nice. It feels great quality. Thank you to AUSKANG for sending this to me. It is amazing. In the description for this video, there will be a link to purchase this wallet if you're interested. It is really cool, and it retails for about $60 on Amazon. So I highly recommend you check it out if you're in the market for a card wallet that uses Apple Find My technology without the need for an AirTag. So I hope everybody enjoyed this video. As always, if you have any questions or comments, please drop a comment down below and I will do my best to get it answered. Please click that like button and subscribe to Tech Gamers World. I'm going to have new and exciting content coming soon. Thanks a lot, everybody, and I will see you around. Make it a great day.